this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to set up Pandora premium plan. Let's get started. First, launch your Pandora app or head over to the official website of Pandora, provide your credentials and log into your account. After you are logged in, navigate to the profile page, then click on this option of upgrade. Pandora will display the available premium subscription plans. Review the plans and choose the one that best fits your needs, whether it's an individual, family, student, or another available option in your region. After selecting your preferred premium plan, tap Continue to move to the payment page. Enter your payment information using your preferred payment method such as a credit or debit card or another available payment option. Double check that all of your billing details are correct, then tap Subscribe now to complete your purchase. Once your subscription is confirmed, your account will be upgraded to Pandora Premium and you'll immediately gain access to all its premium features. And that's all it takes to set up a Pandora Premium plan. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.